This is a video inspection of kitchen line at Wadsworth Parkway Apartments, 8602 Yukon Street, apartment B107. B107. We're going to be dropping in from a clean out, which would have been behind the refrigerator that has been removed from this unit. Alright, so I've cambered this line from the clean out in the wall behind where the refrigerator goes over to the sewer main in building, verifying that water is flowing out of this pipe and into the building sewer main. Got good water flow there. Alright, so that was a distance of approximately 18 feet. We ran the camera through. Not seeing any offsets, cracks, breaks, or damage to the pipe. There is not an excessive amount of grease in the line. Looks like the line was recently cabled for blockage, but at this point in time, this line is functioning. There's some buildup there, some corrosion that's restricted the pipe. Alright, that will conclude the video inspection of kitchen line at Wadsworth Parkway Apartments, 8602 Yukon Street, Unit B107.